Hello everyone. Welcome to this English learning conversation. Today, we will talk about something important, something emotional, something real. We will talk about losing in life.
Yes, because everyone loses sometimes, and losing is not the end. Losing can teach us, it can help us grow. So listen slowly and carefully. Let's begin.
Arjun, have you ever lost something in life? Like a dream, a competition, or a relationship?
Yes, many times. I once worked hard for an exam. I studied every day, but still, I failed. I felt sad. I felt broken. I felt like a loser.
I understand. Losing can hurt. It can make us cry. It can make us feel weak. It can make us question ourselves. Pause. What did you do after that?
At first, I was angry. Then, I wanted to give up. But slowly, I realized something. Losing does not mean I am useless. Losing means I need to learn more. Losing means I can grow.
That's beautiful. Arjun, I also have a story. When I was younger, I wanted to be a dancer. I practiced a lot. I worked hard. But in a big competition, I did not win. I came last.
Last, that must have hurt a lot.
Yes, very much. I cried the whole night. I asked myself, am I not good enough? I wanted to quit dancing.
But you didn't quit, right?
No, because one day, my teacher told me something. She said, losing does not define you. Your effort defines you. Your courage defines you. Your heart defines you. Those words changed me.
Do you think losing can teach us something?
Yes, losing teaches patience. Losing teaches strength. Losing teaches humility. Losing teaches us to keep going.
Exactly. Sometimes life says no, so we can learn how to grow, so we can learn how to be stronger.
And sometimes, losing is a redirection. Maybe that path was not for us. Maybe life has a better plan.
What would you say to someone who feels lost right now?
I would say, slow down, breathe. You are not alone. You are not a failure. You are learning. You are growing. Life is not over. A new beginning is waiting.
And I would say, be kind to yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own time, their own speed, their own journey.
To everyone listening, remember, losing is a part of life, but giving up is a choice.
So choose hope, choose courage, choose to try again.
One failure does not decide your whole future, but one decision, one step, one more try, can change everything.
Do you think losing makes people feel alone?
Yes, Arjun, sometimes we feel like no one understands us. We feel like we are the only one facing a hard time.
I felt like that once. I failed my exam, and I thought nobody else ever failed.
Yes, but later, you found out, so many people fail at something, at some time, in life.
Exactly. And when I understood that, I felt more normal, more human.
Arjun, do you know something beautiful?
What?
People who lose often become kinder. They understand pain. They feel compassion. They do not judge others quickly.
Yes, I noticed that. Losing teaches softness. It teaches patience. It teaches empathy.
And it teaches that winning is not everything. The journey, the learning, the growth is what matters.
Sometimes, we want instant success. We want fast results. But life takes time.
True, a seed does not become a tree in one day. A caterpillar does not become a butterfly in 1 second.
Yes, beautiful things take time. Strong people take time.
Arjun, do you remember a time when someone helped you after you lost something?
Yes, my teacher. She told me, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success.
That sentence is powerful. It means failure helps success grow. Failure teaches what we need to improve. Failure guides us.
Yes, and after hearing that, I stopped hating failure. I started learning from it.
Arjun, do you still feel scared of losing?
Sometimes yes, but now, I also know that losing does not mean my story is over.
Right, losing means we start again, but wiser.
And stronger, and more patient, and more grateful.
Arjun, do you think losing can ever make life better?
Yes, sometimes, when we lose something small, life gives us something bigger, something we never imagined.
Yes, sometimes life says, this path is not right, try another.
Maya, if someone watching this video is feeling like a failure, what message would you tell them?
I would tell them, you are not alone, you are not weak, you are learning, you are growing, and one day, you will look back and understand why this loss was necessary.
And I would add, never stop trying, because one day, your success will make all your pain worth it.
So remember, losing is not the end.
It is the beginning of becoming stronger.